Are you searching such as app to earn money online without any investments, without any skill and without any degree, and also be received your earning daily earning duty online earning in your mobile account? If you are students or a housewife and want to earn money online, stay home without any degree, without any skills, and if you have no PC, no laptop, you can start this work easily. In this app you can complete simple mobile tasks, complete offers, and also be earned by watching videos. How to work and how to earn money online without wasting time? Let's get started. Open the Play Store app in your device and click on search button to search application. Search here earn by. You can see there's a show on my desktop, earn by app showing on my desktop. So click on install option to install this app in your device. After installing this app in your device, so click on open button to open this app in your device and select your native language. So I have selected English, and then click on confirm button. So just as opening, you can see that they are giving 10 rupees rewards. So claim rewards, click on claim rewards and receive this 10 rewards in your app. And how to create and how to register account in this app? So go to the profile option and click on sign in Google, and click on sign in Google again, and select your Gmail account here and create account of this app. And now you can see that my account successfully created. Before explaining earning method, so I have explained withdraw method. After earning, after receiving income in your account, so how to receive, how to withdraw this app to your account. So click on wallet option at the down side at fourth number. So you can see that's Easy Paisa, Jazz Cash and Connect Bank. You can easily withdraw in this app. So must be minimum withdraw 10 rupees, 50, 100, 200 rupees withdraw easily from this app. And basically we are earning in coins form and collecting the coins, and automatically this app convert the coins into the RS. After earning, select your method and withdraw easily to your account successfully. And now how many methods to earn money online by using this app? The first earning method is that daily reward. You can see that upper sides 1000 coins, 1008 coins, 2200 coins, 4000 coins, and just Rs 50 rupees. You can claim this reward day by day. And second earning method is that my offers. You can see that there are many offers are showing on my desktop, and click any one offers to earn by coins easily and simply. And there are many tasks available, there are many games are available, just as playing and earn money online without any investment, without any degree, easily. And here you can earn money by watching ads, playing games, complete surveys, and many tasks are available. You can click on it and earn money online. Let's try how to earn money by watching ads. Simply click on third option at awards and click on watch ads. Before starting ads, you can see that the rewards is available, so claim it easily. And after some loading, and you can see that my ad is running without skipping, without any touching. You can see that ad is completely run. So click on cancel option, and you can see that at top of 300 coins are added to the account. And you can see that this app is completely 100 by 100 real, authentic and genuine and workable app. Without a degree, without any skill, without any investments, you can earn money online by watching this ads, complete survey, some simple complete task, and by referral link. Yes, you can send this app link to the friends, family, and after creating an account, those you can earn money by referral link easily. So thanks for watching video. If you comes first time on my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon to learn more tech information and online earning videos first of all.